you to look for talents in Ohio. Let's take a look at today's participants. Please introduce yourself and what town did you come with?
Hello, my name is Vladimir. I can dance and sing chill-out music.
Okay, then you can start. I thought it would be a little longer.
Who are you trying to scam?
Next. Hello, what's your talent?
I'm the best singer and dancer in the world.
Show us your talent.
Bro, it's too early for you to get a gold button.
That talent's not enough for me.
I don't know about you guys, but I love his dance. Next. What's your talent?
I just came to show off my new shoes.
I hate bragging, but that is no for me.
Please wait for him, Andrew.
Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks.
Oh,
I've never seen shoes like that in my life, honey. I think you deserve a gold button.
And I think so, bros. We're on the first time. In fact, I want to dance with you.